You know what I mean. Okay.
Also, we'll have to be all much closer. Mama, don't point it at me.
Uh-oh. Oh, look. There. It's like perfect here, right? Scooter will make you lazy. So I'm not gonna walk anymore either. Yeah. Marina Shaw? They transferred?
No.
They just visit?
Yeah.
Who? Oh, the coaching? Josh, you're too big now, Josh.
No, it's okay. Look, it's moving. Whoa, 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 whoa.
You're heavy, Josh. You're heavy. Go, 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 go. You can do it. Come on, you can do it. Go, go. Yeah. Go ahead, Josh. You can do it. Go, go climb, go climb. One more, one more. Go ahead, Josh. Go, go. One step at a time. Ah, mommy needs help. She's really not. The slide? Ah. Okay, okay, okay. Nice. Hey, Jafar, be careful. She should have waited.
Huh?
She should have waited.